it's Mary, and today we'll be making a cute little wristlet with this die set here. This is a new die set from Alina Cutle, and it is just so pretty. So this one here, you've got the beautiful edges, scallop edges actually, and she actually even put scoring marks here and scoring marks here, so you don't have to kind of measure it out on your own like the other die set that I have. From a different company. And this one here is the layering piece for it. And this one would be for the bottom if you want to put a layering piece on it. These are for the sides here. So you'll need two pieces of those. This one would be for the back, and then the actual wristlet. And then here you've got tags. Just a lot of little pieces to make it really your own. So let me show you a sample real quick. This is the one I made and fell in love with. I just like the paper, and of course it's just so cute and so precious. Here's the little wristlet for it. I did some charms as well, and then magnetic closure for this one, and it does fit a gift card. So obviously I had to buy it because it has gift card capabilities. So I like that a lot. Just a beautiful, fun way to gift a gift card. But that is what I've created with this one. I love the scallops and the stitching. And then just everything is it's really pretty. So this is one without the layering piece up front. And here's one that does have a layering piece that I use, and it's a different closure. It's a snap closure, and again, the dies come with it, so no extra on our part. So that's that one. And in comparison, I do have one that I have used in the past as well, and this also has beautiful scallops and stitching, and but this one didn't have the scoring, so you'd have to make your own template. This one's Velcro closed, but this is in comparison much larger than this one here. But both adorable and both have cute purposes in my collection. So both hold gift cards. This probably might hold some candy and a gift card. This might hold maybe a lip balm and a gift card. But this one is by KS Craft, and this one is by Alina Cutle. It does fit a gift card holder and probably a small candy. Or multiple gift cards, actually. Let's see. Got that one. I know me and my multiple gift cards. So it does fit more than one gift card. Could probably fit more. I don't know how many people would get so many gift cards, but there you go. You do have the option to put more than one gift card in there. I put a Velcro closure on it. And just really cute. And your wristlet. So that's my one version. My other version, I forgot to show you the back on this one. This is without the paper underneath, and this is with. And then just this one, very plain and simple. No wristlets, no handle with it, and it does have a different closure on it as well. Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed my project. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I will for sure leave the link to her Amazon shop so you guys can grab a hold of it yourself. I did buy this. Again, this is her new die, so it might be in stock or out of stock, but just keep looking. She does replenish them fairly quickly, so just be patient. It will be in stock soon enough. Thank you guys for your time, and hopefully you guys have a good week, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks guys. Bye.